What's up, buds? It's Fly High FPV, and I've had some requests from some DJI pilots to make an easy kit so that you can take these LEDs and just put them right on your DJI quad. So that's what I've done. I added a little battery tray for an A23 battery, so a tiny little 12-volt battery, and you can just pop that baby right in there and light it up. Makes it quick and easy and convenient. You don't have to have any kind of special chargers. And I even put a piece of 3M sticky adhesive on the back of this so you can stick it right on top of your Mavic, your Mini Mavic, or your Phantom. Get a meter or strip. This has got 3M adhesive backing on it as well, and you are good to go. Flyhighfpv.com, and I even throw in one of these Duracells. That good shit. You know I don't like that cheap Chinese garbage. It's all quality up in my store. If you want to go even brighter, wire this thing up yourself to some 4S power. Get you a little 4S 350 mAh, and man, that thing will light the sky for miles. But this is pretty quick and easy, and it'll get the job done.